Namaste. Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one more Indian rhythm, that is Bhajan Theka. It is very useful with the bhajans. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. One, two, here we go. One and up, we and three and up, and one and up, we and three and up, we and one and up, we and three and up, we and one e up, we and three and up. Now what? Let's break it down now. We will play one on the bass of our Congo, and then we will play and on the high tom. After this, we will play again on the bass. One and up. One more time. One and up. After this, we will play E on the bass and then and on the high tom. One and up. E and. One more time. One and up. E and. The rhythmic pattern of third and fourth beat is exactly same as the rhythmic pattern of first and second beat respectively. But instead of bass, we will use the mid tom like this. 3 and up, E and. One more time. 3 and up, E and. We will play 3 on the mid tom and then and on the high tom. After this, we will play on the mid tom. 3 and up. And then we will play E on the mid tom and then and on the high tom. E and. 3 and up, E and. Now let's play the complete rhythm together. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and up, E and 3 and up, E and 1 and up, E and 3 and up, E and 1 and up, E and 3 and up, E and 1 E up, E and 3 and up, E and 1. So that's all for the today's lesson. And now I want you to practice this rhythm on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.